Have you ever wondered how a computer can answer your questions, create incredible images, or even write an entire story in just a few seconds? It almost feels like magic, doesn't it? But here's the surprising part. It's not magic at all. It's called artificial intelligence, or simply AI. And today, we're going to understand what AI really is, how it works, and why it's becoming such an important part of our everyday lives. Don't worry, you don't need any technical knowledge. I'll explain everything, step by step, in the simplest way possible.
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a computer system designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It doesn't think like humans, but it can learn, recognize patterns, and solve problems using data. It analyzes what you've given it, using everything it has learned. And finally, it gives you an output. That could be an answer, a generated image, a translation, or even a recommendation. So remember this simple formula: input, processing, output. That's the basic way almost every AI system works. But here's the next question. How does AI know all these things? The answer is data. Just like we learn by reading books, watching videos, and gaining experience, AI learns from data. That data can be text, images, numbers, audio, or even videos. The more high-quality data AI learns from, the better it becomes at understanding new information, recognizing patterns, and giving more accurate answers. So in simple words, data is what teaches AI and helps it become smarter over time. What if I told you that the same technology helping you search the internet, recommend your favorite videos, and even create stunning images is all powered by artificial intelligence? Sounds amazing, right? But what exactly is AI? Now, learning from data is only the first step. The real magic happens when AI starts finding patterns. Instead of memorizing everything, AI looks for similarities and connections between different pieces of information. For example, if it sees thousands of pictures of cats, it begins to understand what makes a cat look like a cat. And once it learns those patterns, it can recognize new images it has never seen before. That's how AI makes predictions and solves problems without being told every single answer.
Let's look at a couple of real-life examples. Have you ever noticed that most spam emails never even reach your inbox? That's AI at work. It learns to recognize the patterns found in unwanted emails and filters them automatically. Here's another example. When you open your phone's photo gallery, it can recognize whether a picture has a cat, a dog, or even a person. It does this by using the patterns it has already learned from millions of images. And the amazing part is, you use AI like this almost every single day. Now, you might be wondering, what actually happens inside an AI system? Well, many AI systems work like something called a black box. You give it an input, like a question or an image. Inside, AI processes all that information using the patterns it has learned, and then it gives you an output. The interesting part is, we can clearly see what goes in and what comes out, but the exact process happening inside isn't always easy to understand. That's why it's often called a black box. Let's see another example. Have you ever checked tomorrow's weather on your phone? Have you noticed how it can predict whether it'll be sunny, rainy, or cloudy? That's AI in action. It analyzes huge amounts of weather data, like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and past weather patterns. Then, it compares all of that information, finds patterns, and makes its best prediction for tomorrow's forecast. It's not always perfect, but as it learns from more data, its predictions become better and more accurate over time. The truth is, AI is already a part of your everyday life, even if you don't realize it. When Google Maps finds the fastest route, that's AI. When your email filters out spam messages, that's AI. When shopping apps recommend products you might like, that's AI too. It suggests songs, recommends videos you'll probably enjoy, and even powers the voice assistants on your phone. So, whether you're traveling, shopping, listening to music, or watching YouTube, chances are you're already using AI every single day. But here's what makes AI really powerful. It doesn't just work, it learns. The more data AI receives and the more feedback it gets, the better it becomes. If it makes a mistake, it can learn from that too, and improve over time. It's a lot like how we learn. The more we practice, the better we get. AI works in a similar way. With more experience, more data, and better feedback, it becomes more accurate and more helpful. Now, not all AI is the same. In fact, there are three main types of AI. The first is narrow AI. This is the AI we use today. It's designed to do one specific task really well. The second is general AI. This is a future goal where AI could learn, think, and perform many different tasks, just like a human. And finally, there's super AI. This is a theoretical idea where AI could become even more intelligent than humans. Right now, though, only narrow AI exists in the real world. The other two are still ideas, for the future. As powerful as AI is, it's not perfect. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. If the data is incomplete or incorrect, its answers can be wrong too. AI also doesn't have human common sense. It can't truly understand emotions the way we do. And yes, it can make mistakes. That's why, when it comes to important decisions like healthcare, finance, or legal matters, AI should help people, not replace them. In the end, human judgment will always matter. So, what have we learned today? Artificial intelligence isn't magic. It's a powerful technology that learns from data, finds patterns, and helps solve real-world problems. When used responsibly, AI can help us save time, work smarter, and unlock new possibilities in almost every field. The future of AI isn't about replacing people. It's about helping people do more, create more, and achieve more. And this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this video and then learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're curious about AI, make sure to subscribe to AI Experience and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here, we'll explore artificial intelligence, one topic at a time, in a simple, practical, and easy to understand way. Thank you so much, for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep building. I'll see you in the next video.